Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is poster design. So I will show you the more things about posters. So let's start and do this. So first of all, I'll fix my thumbnail. Then I will show you more things about posters. So I will I'll type on concept for posters. So let's start. Okay. Okay. Poster design. Then I will change this color here. So what color will be the perfect here? I think black will be the perfect here. So make it black and also change this color. Or make it also also the black. And here is some problem, technical problem. So it takes a little bit time. So yeah, I got it. I will just change this color also. I will change this color. Okay, it's good. So save down. And I want to export it as so now I want to go to the new page for the poster design. Just I want to just tell you what is the poster and how to make a poster. So first of all, I will change this as inches. Then I want to change this as 11, and we have to 17 here. So 11 and 17 inches for the poster design. Remember it. With this ratio you can increase it. So I got my artboard. First of all, I want to make here something new, which will be the, yeah, 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 got it. And then I will fix it here, fix it here. So select the log, and then sorry, I want to I have I have I have to copy it. Okay, then I will change it as, yeah, I got this and this. Then I will change it. Sorry, I will fix it as lock selection tool. Then also lock selection. Okay, it's nice. So here I want a rectangle tool. Then it will be the I want it as black, so I'll make it black. Make it black. Yeah, this is good. So I want to arrange it as send it back. So how it look like? I think it's look nice. So make it as lock. I think it's good. It's good to see. So you can change there many things. So let's see. I got a circle. So make it as which color will be the perfect for it. Let's see. I think, yeah, red will be the perfect. So make it red, and you can fix there a picture of or anything you can save here. Then you can do it. So let's see. Place a picture. Place a picture. So I want to go here. Okay, okay, got a picture. So if you have a link button here, so you have to remove it. Then you have to place it on here. But there is no link. So just place over here. So increase it. Sorry, I have problem. Sorry. Yeah, it's good. So let's see. Let's see. And I want to arrange it as back. Sorry. Which sorry. Bring it font and arrange it as forward. Sorry, I have mistake. Same mistake. Backward. Oh no. There is some problem. It's nothing. It's nothing a big problem. So let's see. Here is the problem, but nothing so big. So I think there is problem, but you understand the concept of a poster, so you can write here many things. So write it on here, and please do subscribe my channel and support us with your comments, like and share. Thank you all. Goodbye.